Lovely guys, basically I want to welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo juice bar channel. It's amazing guys to be in the kitchen. I got some apple cider vinegar right here, and apple cider vinegar is the #1 thing where a lot of people have been using. Right over here I have some honey, and right here I have some lime. Anyway, we're gonna make you a lime tea with apple cider vinegar inside of it. Also good for detoxing and weight loss. The first thing with this drink, you need to drink it the first thing in the morning before your breakfast or before you do anything in the morning. Right here on the apple cider vinegar, if you read all of those ingredients, all of these things, and it will tell you how to use the apple cider vinegar, guys. So basically, if you're not used to the apple cider vinegar, you need to read the instruction right here, and it will tell you how to use it. Or you can do your own research and Google. Once you go on Google and you type in what's the benefit of apple cider vinegar, again, you can drink it, and also you can use it to do what you want to do. For most people who exercise or go to the gym, swimming, and do like sports, this is really good for you. It's good for detoxing your body and also help you to build your immune system. The best one to buy is the raw apple cider vinegar. See, raw apple cider vinegar. It is made from the, so you need to read the instruction. It's very, very important for you guys to read it. All right, but today we want to make you a drink. Especially we know that the weather will be changing very soon. It's going to be coming back to cold. It's going to come back to winter, and you know what I mean, you need to get yourself grooming and you know what I mean, prepare for this winter which is going to be coming. It's going to be cold, and you know a lot of people are going to be catching cold and flu, sneezing, you know what I mean. Probably specialize if you are traveling and you know what I mean, the transport, the local transport, or if you're not driving your own car, you know what I mean, it's very important for you guys to look after yourself. Even when you're on the train, on the plane, wherever you are, it's very good for you to look after yourself. So today, recipe, lemon tea with apple cider vinegar and honey. These are the 3 ingredients. It's very mighty and powerful. First thing, I'm going to put a teaspoon of honey inside of my glass right here. That's some honey I'm going to put straight inside of the glass, as you can see right here, guys. Then what I'm going to do, I'm going to fill up this with some hot water. As you can see, exactly what I'm doing right here. Nice one. I'm gonna give it a nice little stir, but don't get me wrong, I may put a little bit too much water, but we can always pour a little bit out of it, guys. Now what we're going to do, taste it. Perfect. Now what we're going to do next now is simple squeeze roughly half of the lime juice inside of it like this. See that? That's the lime juice. We are squeezing it inside of it. So I'm using half of this lime right here, and I'm squeezing it straight inside of it like this, just to get that nice lovely flavor from the juice from it. So it's just going to be amazing. Now what we're going to do next, we're going to pop roughly a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar inside of it. We're using a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. Second thing, what we're going to do is put a piece of a lemon inside of it, just like this, and we're going to give it a lovely stir. Give it another taste. That is perfect. So basically, this is a drink which I've been talking about all the time to my fans, and that lemon tea or lime tea is very, very good for us, healthy, and also good for detoxing the body. Plus, not only that, especially it's coming up to this kind of weather now, so we have to be careful and look after ourselves. Make sure we drink this kind of tea, 1 in the morning and 1 at night before you go to your bed. That's the way you can drink this kind of tea. And an empty stomach in the morning, guys, works really perfect. So please give this one a try, and please give it a go. As you can see exactly right here what I'm talking about with this nice lovely tea. So lime tea, and we got also lemon tea. So I'm looking forward for the next lemon tea which I'm going to be making for you guys. That's going to be a nice healthy drink also. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo Juice Bar channel. We have a few more recipes will be coming for you guys and a few ideas and tips will be coming from Chef Ricardo and the team. Thank you so much for tuning into my show, and thank you so much for subscribing and leaving your comments in the description box. And I will see you next time. So please follow me on Instagram and Twitter, Facebook, Google Plus me, and get your favorite recipe from Chef Ricardo and the team. And I will see you next time. Bye bye.